Okay, so I just read about this amazing project involving Docker and Nginx for managing web hosting at home. It's like a dream come true.
Wait, are you saying this allows regular people to run their own web servers easily? That's wild.
Exactly. And it makes setting up SSL certificates super easy with Let's Encrypt. I mean, who doesn't want secure connections?
Right. The fact that you can get free SSL just by setting it up through this nginx-proxy-manager is incredible.
And you don't even have to know Nginx to use it. It's got a beautiful admin interface that simplifies everything.
So, let me get this straight. You can create forwarding domains or even manage redirects without being a tech genius.
Exactly. It's like using a super intuitive app instead of dealing with complex code. It lowers the barrier for entry.
That gives me chills. Imagine how accessible that makes server hosting for anyone.
Right? Plus, they've included user management and permissions, which adds a layer of control.
Oh wow, so you can actually manage who has access to what. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, and there's basic HTTP authentication too, which is crucial for securing your projects.
I love that. It's like giving you a tool set to build your own mini internet at home.
Definitely. And think about it, having a personal server means you own your data.
Exactly. We're moving into a world where self-hosting might be the norm. That's so empowering.
And the quick setup with Docker and Docker Compose, it really is plug and play.
Right, I mean just a simple Docker Compose up, and voila, you're running.
Plus, the documentation is great. They've made it easy for anyone to dive right in.
So like, even if someone has no tech background, they can still manage this.
Exactly. It's like they designed it for people who feel overwhelmed by coding.
And with features to enable redirection and streams, it sounds pretty flexible.
Totally. You can literally customize it for your specific needs without getting lost.
But how does the port forwarding work? Isn't that technical?
Yeah, but they break it down in the guide. You just forward port 80 and 443 from your router.
Got it. So it connects your home network directly to this management system.
Exactly. And if someone already has a domain, they can point it to their home setup using services like DuckDNS.
That's such a smooth integration. It makes it sound so doable.
Right? And it feels like you're creating your own online space from scratch.
It's like building your digital fortress. And you mentioned contributing too, right?
Yep. Anyone can jump in, create pull requests, and help improve it. Such an inclusive model.
That's a solid community approach. I love how open source projects empower you.
Agreed. It's like being part of something bigger and shaping the future of hosting.
But really, what's fascinating about this project is how it simplifies a traditionally complex tech setup.
Right. It opens up possibilities for more people to experiment and explore web hosting.
And in the end, having control over your online presence is a game changer.
Exactly. It's almost like reclaiming your digital identity. This is making me rethink so much.
Yeah. So if we put all this together, it really feels like a gateway to a self-sufficient internet.
For sure. And who knows? This might inspire more innovations along the way.
I'm curious, though. What are the implications if more people start self-hosting?
Oh, that could shift data ownership and privacy dynamics completely.
Exactly. Imagine a world where users aren't just consumers, but also creators and owners.
It might lead to a more equitable internet ecosystem, which is super exciting.
Absolutely. It feels like we're on the brink of a digital revolution. I can't wait to see where this goes.
Same here, and I hope our listeners feel the excitement and pow to explore their own possibilities.
Definitely. So the big question is, are you ready to dive into hosting your own server?